1 gallon of this at Home Depot, I think cost me about $77, and it took care of this entire tub. Thanks for watching how to red guard a shower tub. Just try to get to it as quick as I can for you guys. And what I do is I usually take a brush like this, and what I'll do is I'll open up the red guard, pink stuff. You can mix it. If it doesn't look like that, you can mix the heck out of it. It'll be good though. So take your brush and you paint in all the corners. I tape it off like that so it doesn't go over and you're picking off red guard, because after this stuff dries, it's nasty stuff. It's real hard. It's waterproof, it's rubber. So that's what I do is I tape it off, and I know that I got it before the grout is gonna go, if that makes any sense. So I'm account for the mortar thickness, and then you got your tile thickness. So I know my tile is gonna come out to here, the tip of my pinky right there. So what I do is I tape that off and let the red guard actually hit the tub, and I clean that out real good, because what you got is silicone over there, and then after that I got the mortar in there. So I leave that little line right there so this red guard can actually touch the tub itself, and that way I know it's the water when it goes down is always gonna go down. It's not gonna wick past this stuff. So I like to make sure I get at least that little tiny sliver all the way around the tub. I hope that makes sense. Not the best teacher, but I know how to do stuff. So anyways, gonna paint all this in, and I like to do paint this in and roll on 2 coats and paint it in one more time just to be safe. And we're gonna get started. Alright, that's how I red guard a shower. Pretty sure I do it right. Done about 100 of these, had no issues, no leaks, nothing like that. Thanks for watching. A lot of people don't know how much time goes into making one of these videos, so all I ask is give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and that's how you red guard. Also, check out my other videos on how to install niches and LED lights in bathrooms. Check that out. Rotating RGB LED lights, deck lights off eBay. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. If some people want to know why I haven't tiled that, it's because I need to make sure that when I tile this, all my tiles are level, and I have aluminum going around this. So it goes into the tiling. Reason why I'm not doing that. I am gonna red guard that before I finish the shower. 1 gallon of this at Home Depot, I think cost me about $77, and it took care of this entire tub.